great words. Let's now bring up Senator Mark Desson here.
There's a lot of tough acts to follow. I just want to first of all tell you thank you for being here, particularly the young people, but it's inspiring for somebody who's been in politics for a long time, served many years with the next speaker, my good friend John Joya, on the Board of Supervisors. And I do want to apologize in advance because I'm going to have to leave. I'm supposed to be in a program in Walnut Creek in 45 minutes. So I'm here on behalf of myself and my good friend and my colleague, Senator Lonnie Hancock. We both represent most of Alameda and Contra Costa County in the state Senate. And we are today, it's a wonderful celebration, but it's also, it's these two worlds we take from today, I believe, where we celebrate this incredible man's courage and his life and his memory, but at the same time, we should take that memory with us to realize that the American dream is not nearly realized. That Dr. King constantly reminded us, not just in his famous speech in Washington, but through every pore and emotion, the second minute of his life, that America and Americans had an obligation to move toward that. Dr. King died. To remember Bobby Kennedy's amazing speech in Indianapolis. To remember American police officers with dogs attacking people of color just because they...